$0. No savings. No investments. No connections. No trust fund. No rich parents. Just you, starting from absolute zero. Can you actually build real wealth from nothing? The answer is yes. And not just in theory. Millions of people have done it. And by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to do it yourself in 2026. Let me be brutally honest with you. Building wealth from nothing is hard. Anyone who tells you otherwise is selling something. But hard doesn't mean impossible. It means it requires a specific sequence of steps, executed with discipline, over time. The problem is, most people don't know the sequence. They try to invest before they have anything to invest. They try to build passive income before they have active income. They skip steps, get frustrated, and quit. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact sequence, step by step, from literally $0 to real, lasting wealth. No shortcuts, no get-rich-quick schemes, just the proven path that actually works. Step 1. Fix your money mindset before you fix your money. I know this sounds like fluffy self-help advice, but hear me out. If you grew up in a household where money was scarce, where your parents fought about bills, where the message was that rich people are greedy or that money doesn't grow on trees, those beliefs are still running your financial operating system. You can't build wealth while simultaneously believing you don't deserve it. You can't save money while unconsciously believing it will always run out. Before you do anything else, you need to reprogram your relationship with money. Start consuming content about wealth building daily. Read books. Watch channels like this one. Surround yourself with the stories of people who started with nothing and built empires. Not to feel inspired for 5 minutes, but to fundamentally change what you believe is possible for your life. This isn't optional. This is the foundation everything else is built on. Without the right mindset, every strategy I'm about to share will fail. With it, even the simplest strategies will compound into extraordinary results. Step 2. Eliminate destructive debt immediately. If you have high-interest debt, particularly credit card debt, this is your #1 priority. Not investing, not saving, not building a business. Paying off debt that charges you 15 to 25% interest. Here's why. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could be growing your wealth. Credit card debt at 20% interest means you need to earn 20% returns just to break even. That's nearly impossible even for professional investors. The debt snowball method works like this. List all your debts from smallest to largest. Pay minimum payments on everything except the smallest. Throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt until it's gone. Then roll that payment into the next one. The psychological momentum of eliminating debts one by one is powerful. Each win fuels the next. If you have student loans or a mortgage, those are lower priority. Focus on anything above 8% interest first. This step isn't sexy. Nobody posts debt payoff stories on social media. But this is where wealth building actually begins. You cannot build on a foundation of high-interest debt. Step 3. Build your emergency fund. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a financial safety net. Without one, any unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill, a job loss, will wipe out your progress and force you back into debt. Your target is $1,000 as fast as possible. Then grow it to 3 months of living expenses. Then eventually 6 months. This money goes into a high-yield savings account. Not under your mattress. Not in the stock market. A boring, accessible savings account earning 4 to 5% interest. I know what you're thinking, but I want to invest. I want my money working for me. I understand the eagerness. But investing without an emergency fund is like building a house without a foundation. One storm and everything collapses. This fund is your financial insurance policy. It's what allows you to take calculated risks later because you know you won't end up on the street if something goes wrong. Most wealthy people will tell you this was one of the most important steps they ever took. Step 4. Increase your income aggressively. Here's an uncomfortable truth. You cannot save your way to wealth on minimum wage. Frugality is important, but it has a floor. You can only cut expenses so far. Your income, however, has no ceiling. There are 3 ways to increase your income in 2026. First, optimize your current job. Ask for a raise. Document your contributions. If your current employer won't pay you what you're worth, start interviewing elsewhere. The biggest salary jumps come from switching companies, not from annual raises. Second, start a side hustle. Not a hobby, a revenue-generating activity. Freelancing your existing skills, tutoring, delivery services, selling products online. Something that converts your time or knowledge into additional income. Third, develop high-income skills. Learn to code, learn digital marketing, learn sales, learn video editing, learn data analysis. These skills can double or triple your income within 12 to 18 months. The key is to take every extra dollar from these income increases and funnel it directly into steps 5 and 6. Do not increase your lifestyle. Keep living like you're broke even as your income grows. This is the wealth-building secret that nobody wants to hear. Step 5. Start investing with whatever you have. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. You can begin with literally $5. Many platforms now offer fractional shares, meaning you can buy a piece of Amazon or Apple or an index fund for just a few dollars. Here is the simplest, most effective investment strategy for beginners. Open a brokerage account with a platform like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Set up automatic monthly investments, even if it's just $50. Put your money into a total stock market index fund like VTI or VO. Never touch it. That's it. No stock picking. No crypto gambling. No timing the market. Just consistent, automatic investments into a diversified index fund. This strategy has historically returned about 10% annually over the long term. That means if you invest just $200 per month starting today, in 30 years you'll have over $400,000. If you increase your monthly investment as your income grows, you could easily reach $1 million or more. The magic isn't in the amount. It's in the consistency and the compound interest. A dollar invested today is worth far more than a dollar invested 10 years from now. Start now with whatever you have. Step 6. Build multiple income streams. Here's a pattern you'll notice among every wealthy person. They never rely on a single source of income. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Not because they're greedy, but because multiple streams create stability and acceleration. Your job is income stream 1. Your side hustle is stream 2. Your investments are stream 3. Now start building streams 4, 5, 6, and 7. This could be rental income from a property, revenue from a small online business, royalties from content you create, affiliate income from recommendations, a digital product you sell while you sleep. You don't need to build all of these at once. Add one new stream every 6 to 12 months. Each stream starts small, maybe $50 or $100 a month. But over time, they compound. And here's the real power. If one stream dries up, you have 6 others. This is how wealthy people weather recessions, job losses, and economic downturns. They're not dependent on a single paycheck. Financial independence isn't about having $1 million. It's about having enough income streams that no single event can destroy your finances. Step 7. Protect and grow what you've built. Building wealth is only half the equation. Protecting it is equally important. Too many people build wealth only to lose it through poor decisions, lifestyle inflation, or lack of planning. First, get properly insured. Health insurance, renters or homeowners insurance, and eventually life insurance if you have dependents. One catastrophic event without insurance can wipe out years of progress. Second, continue educating yourself. The financial world changes constantly. Tax laws change. New investment vehicles emerge. New opportunities appear. The person who stops learning stops earning. Third, resist lifestyle inflation ruthlessly. As your income grows, the temptation to upgrade everything will be overwhelming. New car, bigger house, designer clothes, expensive vacations. Fight this with everything you have. The gap between your income and your expenses is where wealth lives. Wealthy people increase this gap over time. Everyone else shrinks it. Fourth, start thinking about tax optimization. As your wealth grows, taxes become one of your biggest expenses. Learn about tax-advantaged accounts like 401 Burmese Chats, IRAs, and HSAs. Every dollar you legally save on taxes is a dollar that compounds in your favor. Let me bring it all together. The blueprint from zero to wealth. Step 1. Fix your mindset. Step 2. Eliminate destructive debt. Step 3. Build your emergency fund. Step 4. Increase your income aggressively. Step 5. Start investing with whatever you have. Step 6. Build multiple income streams. Step 7. Protect and grow what you've built. 7 steps. In that exact order. No shortcuts. No skipping ahead. This is how real wealth is built. Not overnight. Not through luck. Through deliberate, consistent action over time. The person who follows this blueprint starting today will be in a fundamentally different financial position 1 year from now, and unrecognizable 5 years from now. If this blueprint gave you clarity, subscribe to the Wealth Code and turn on notifications. Every video on this channel is a piece of the puzzle. Share this with someone starting from zero who needs to hear it. I'll see you in the next one.